Hello, how are you? Financial Analysis, Chapter 4 and Lecture 5. Horizontal analysis is done with ratio or trend analysis. Vertical analysis is done with common size statement analysis. Horizontal analysis, for example, current ratio of a company is 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in the last 3 years respectively. Vertical analysis, for example, balance sheet 2015 year has cash for taka 200 and total asset taka 1000, and then cash will be 20% of total asset. Ratio formulas. Number A, liquidity ratios. Number 1, current ratio equal current asset divided by current liability. Number 2, quick or acid-test ratio equal current asset minus inventory minus prepaid expense divided by current liabilities. Number 3, cash ratio equal cash and marketable securities divided by current liabilities. B, capital structure or long-term solvency ratios. Number 1, leverage ratio or total debt to total capital equal short-term liability plus long-term liability short-term debt plus long-term debt divided by total capital or total asset. Number 2, debt to equity ratio equal short-term debt plus long-term debt divided by total equity. Number 3, long-term debt to equity ratio long-term debt divided by total equity. Number 4, time interest earned or fixed coverage ratio equal operating profit or earning before interest and tax divided by interest. Sales to working capital, sales divided by working capital, sales to fixed assets, sales divided by fixed assets, sales to total assets, sales divided by total assets, net working capital equal current assets minus current liabilities. 10. Working capital turnover, current asset minus current liability divided by sales. Market measurement ratios. Price earning ratio or price earning ratio equal market price per share divided by earning per share. Earning per share equal number 2, net income divided by number of shares outstanding. 3. Earnings yield equal earning per share divided by market price per share. Number 4, dividend yield. Dividend per share equal market price per share. Dividend payout ratio equal dividend per share divided by earning per share. Number 6, market value to book value ratio equal market price per share divided by book value or face value per share. Here, previous year's math, ratio analysis, common size statements, trend analysis. That means problem 4.9, page 866 from NEU recommended book plus NEU questions, common size statements, NEU questions, trend analysis, NEU questions. Here include only important questions which can come to your NEU BBA 8th semester exam, and this sheet has been produced only for NEU BBA professional students. Thanks and keep in touch for next video documents. The end.